Hey guys, welcome back for another episode. This is Luke, ready on the water. Early May, the birds are migrating, the weather's getting nice, things are turning green. Let's go have a good time. All right, see you out there. All right, well, today we're fishing a really small creek, another small creek. This one is, we'll call it southeast to Allentown. It's small enough that I think I should have checked that Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission does not stock it with trout. So hopefully we'll catch some other things. All right, so here we go. First cast. Let's see what's there. Oh, yep. All right, what do we have? It is, it's not a bad creek chub. It's a decent creek chub. Little female. Okay. Kind of like chewed up fins. Well, that's I guess not unexpected, but first cast, first fish. Nice. And even though it's pretty small, as you can see, like right here, now I could walk across that in a few steps. I was pleasantly surprised by not just the number of fish I caught, but the different kinds of fish I caught. So hoping to repeat some of that today. I think what I'm just going to do is I'm going to work my way upstream here, hit any likely looking spots and see how it goes. Can't really even see anything. Got him. That's not that bad. All right. There's another surprise, surprise. Creek chub. They're all about the same size. Another female looks like too. See how fat she is. Jeez, but pretty still. Okay, let's get you on your way. There you go. Bye-bye. Awesome. All right, coming up to our first, looks to be decent sized hole. Let's see if there's anything here. First cast. Yep. Oh, there's a bite. There we go. Ah, that's not a creek chub. Oh yes, it was one of the ones I was hoping we'd catch. Nice. All right, yeah. Here's a favorite. Awesome. A red breast sunfish. And that's, wow, they don't get much better than that. First time, I think. Yeah, first time on the channel. Little red breast. Okay. Look at the colors on that. Let's see why I called that the red breast. The long, all mostly dark colored opercular flap. The red and the orange in the fins. They've got a pretty decent sized mouth for their size. Bigger than a bluegill, and maybe hopefully we'll get a green sunfish later on for comparison. They get bigger than this, but hey, I'll take it. Awesome. Thank you. Here we go. Going back. Bye. Another creek chub. Well, wait, is it? Yeah, that's a creek chub. Okay. All right, going on back. Bye. Oh, what is this? Is that a creek chub too? Oh my gosh. It is another creek chub. They're getting bigger. Kinda. Well, hey, I can't complain. Alright, creek chub. There you go. But okay, and for this one, I'm gonna guess creek chub. Yep. A littler one. Hey, yeah. Okay. Smaller creek chub. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? All right. Who wants to bet? Creek chub. Oh. Yep, got him. He came back, or something else did. Oh, it's not a creek chub. Holy cow. It's a largemouth bass. I think, let's see if dorsal fin. Largemouth bass. Not a largemouth bass, but a largemouth bass is a largemouth bass when you wanted to catch something other than a creek chub today. Awesome, thank you. All right, going back. Well, that's cool. Proved me wrong too. All right, let's see. We make it 4. Oh, they're hanging right there. Yeah. Oh, there's a red on it. Nope. Or bites, but nothing taken. Okay. It's got some spunk and another creek chub. All right. Oh, bye. Okay. Who's next? Oh, do we got? What do we got? Oh, something. Okay. Oh, a red breast. Sweet. So there are more than just a few fish here, or more than just creek chubs. Just gotta work through. There we go. Gotta work through them. All right, another little red breast. Nice colors. Yeah, I love the tail on these guys, especially when you see it. Yeah, that's great. Going back. One more shot. Oh, there we go. Bye. Hey, so we got right here. I haven't moved my feet. My legs are getting a little cold. I've caught a bunch of creek chubs, one largemouth, one red breast, and who's next? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice red breast. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Pretty one too. Awesome. Oh, having some difficulties. A little better. All right. Hey, see ya. What's that? Oh, there's a bunch of fish right there. Obviously, I've been catching them like practically cast after cast. But there were a bunch of fish on the surface. Like, oh, that would look like a red breast. He came off. Huh. All right, here we go. Oh, got him. What do we got? Oh, it's another red breast? Yeah, I think it's another little red breast. Little guy. Okay. Almost. No, it's not. It almost for a second looks like a green. Yeah, never mind. I thought for a second it looked like a green sunfish, but it didn't quite have the big mouth of a green sunfish. So I think definitely just a young little red breast. You know, there must be a pile of fish right there. Oh, jeez, he hit. What do we got? No largemouth. All right, hey. I'm glad I came under here. Uh-oh. Little largemouth. Let's see if there's anything bigger though. Okay, got him. All right, and that's the same one. It almost looks like the same one I caught just a second ago. Yeah, this is another red breast. Definitely not a green. Greens have a bit bigger mouth. And some other things going on too. Oh, that's a little bit. What's this? Still creek chubs too, though. In case you guys were worrying about that, right? Big, chunky female too. There we go. All right, off with you. Bye. Jeez, I think I found where they're all at. They're still in this deep water. Maybe they haven't quite oh, lost them. Maybe they just haven't moved from. Maybe this is where they kind of hang out in the winter. No, not very bright, but deep. And maybe they're just still waiting to kind of move up. I don't know. This is kind of what I was hoping for the rest of the creek to be like. I came off again. Oh, that feels better. Yeah. What do we got? Oof. It's one of the bigger creek chubs of the day, at least, hey? And I am getting really cold. All right, another creek chub. Get on out of here. Bye. Cool. Man, there are a ton of fish under here. Whew. Not bad, a little better. All right. And another red breast. Okay. Not bad. Thank you. I like I don't know if it shows through, but those orange fins, that second dorsal and that tail fin, man, those are pretty. There are fish trying to eat it right here. Yeah, I think that's what's going on. It's a lot deeper. That's really deep right there. I think if I stepped off, I'm on a little ledge. If I stepped off right here, it's gonna go like up to my neck. And so I think they're still just here. They haven't moved up into shallower parts of the creek yet. And there's just a ton of fish. I could stay here probably all day if I had the time. And catch fish after fish. I don't have that time. But yeah, I think that's where we're at the moment. Well, that was a good idea. Thank you, Mr. Bridge. It was fun. Well, that's gonna about do it for me today. I'm pretty cold, but I planned to do that anyways. Wasn't expecting to go under a dark bridge and catch a ton of fish, but that was awesome. Well, spring is starting to really kind of warm up and fishing's starting to too. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. If you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I don't know. Thank you. See you guys sometime soon. Bye.